AAC block machine working processes are divided into 5 parts. The preparation and storage of raw material, batching, mixing, pouring, curing, cutting, steam, and packing. First, fly ash or sand is grinded by ball mill, then it will be made into slurry and stored in slurry tank. The limestone is crushed by jaw crusher and comes into lime silo through elevator. Then it will be grinded into power by dry ball mill through belt conveyor. Lime powder will be stored in lime powder silo for reservation. Raw material preparation, transportation process are equipped with dust cleaner to ensure the environment from pollution. After raw material preparation, slurry, lime powder, cement, aluminum powder are weighed and then poured into pouring mixer for mixing. Finally poured into mold box. Batching and pouring system is controlled by PLC automatic control system. According to raw material chemical test, form accurate formula. After completing batching process, it comes into standstill for pre-curing process. Mixed slurry in mold box will expand because of the hydrogen produced by chemical reaction of lime, aluminum, and water. After foaming, thickening, and solidifying, it becomes block cake. Block cake completes the hardening process to achieve the cutting requirements at certain temperature. Mold box is transported to cutting area by reversal crane. Crane will reverse mold box 90 degrees and put it on the cutting cart. The crane manipulator opens the mold box and demolds automatically. Then put the block with the side pallet on the first cutting cart. The block will do fixed point cutting. First, the first cutting cart with block cake will move to level cutting machine. The level cutting is finished by cutting blade and cutting wire tensioned by air cylinder. Vertical cutting frame lands from up to bottom vertically. Cutting wire makes saw-like movement and completes vertical cutting. Cart replacement equipment starts. The cart under cutting machine, replace oil cylinder. Jack the cut block. The first cutting cart returns to starting position and carries new block cake. The second cutting cart will replace the position of the first cart and carry block to grouping crane. Crane lifts the block to reversal table, remove the bottom waste material by it. Then, the grouping crane will move block on steam trolley. Enter the autoclave through automatic entering autoclave device. The finished product is pulled out by ferry cart or windlass and moved to transportation crane. The crane will take the block to separating machine area. Separate the block. Separating machine can use fixed type and moving style. At the same time, steam trolley returns in front of autoclave through steam trolley recycle rail and prepares for carrying new block. Separated block will move to finished crane. At the same time, the side plate will be cleaned and went to the reversal crane. Form a complete mold box with cleaned empty mold for pouring. generated in the production process once again is added to new production processes through waste mixing and pouring system. No wastewater. Waste gas generates. The entire line will continue to repeat the above production processes to adapt to the needs of different annual production.